Hi there, my name is Stefan, and in this video, we'll help our website rank better using Yoast SEO plugin. Let's optimize our website using Yoast SEO plugin. So if you remember, under plugins here, we installed a must-use plugins recommended by me. Um, we have Yoast SEO plugin installed as well. So if you didn't finish your first time configuration, you should do it now. If you did it already, then we can proceed. In my case, I already did it. So if I click here, I'll be redirected to finish my first time optimization. So let me just go over it real quickly. So as you can see, SEO data optimization is disabled for non-production environments. So this is a local website, and you can click this button here and it will optimize your data per Yoast SEO standards. And I highly recommend to do it. So let's click continue because we don't have that option. You can choose the if you're an organization or person, your website name, your logo, and so on and so on. Social profiles, if you have any. This is a local environment, so we don't have any social profiles here. Personal preferences, email address. If you want to share your data or collect, this is important for GDPR, and then finish configuration. Now we did this. Now let's continue optimizing our pages, or basically our page, our home page with the Yoast. So let's click on pages and then click, or basically you have two options. You can edit it with WordPress editor, or you can edit it with Elementor. So under settings here, you have the Yoast tab here, as you can see. It is pretty similar to this. I find this more easier to use than using it from the Elementor tab. So I'll close this and we'll continue with the WordPress editor. So as I said, we have the Yoast SEO tab here, and we need to populate this in order to make our page more SEO friendly. So in order to help you with that, Yoast created this, as you can see, smiles, or smileys. This one is SEO. This one is readability. Now the readability is good. What it does is basically go through our text that we added onto this page, and then it will tell you if it is great to read it. If there are, as you can see, subheadings, is there a passive voice, paragraph length, and so on and so on, sentence length, and so on. If there are some negative things, you can try to modify it. So basically, follow their tips in order to improve your SEO. Now, the SEO part is bad. Why? Because we didn't add anything here. So what we need to do is we need to add the focus key phrase. So if I hover over here, and then it will open, this question mark will open what is a focus key phrase. In short, it is basically when someone tries to type in Google or any browser a keyword like how to create an Elementor website. That is a key phrase. Or like how to use Photoshop, and so on and so on. That key phrase will, using that key phrase will show you the list of websites on the browser. So having a good key phrase will help you or help users find your website better, along with other SEO SEO optimizations. Now you should try. I recommend using this. I recommend reading this, so it will help you better understand what is the focus key phrase or keyword. As you can see, the focus keyword or key phrase is the search term you want a page or post to rank for. When people search for that phrase, they should find you. If you set a focus key phrase for a page with Yoast SEO on WordPress or Shopify, The plugin or app evaluates the page's content and provides feedback on improving the content to increase your chance of ranking higher for the search term. So basically, that is this part. Following their recommendation, your website will rank better. So you can see we need outbound links, internal link, key phrase length, and so on and so on. So first thing first, we need to set the related key phrase or related key phrase. In our case, we can go with, let me just open our website. I suggest we go with WordPress website designer, this here. Let's copy it and paste it here. So this is our key phrase. And as you can see, it already, the smiley changes to orange instead of red. Now, the next thing is search appearance. This is how our website will be seen in browsers when users search for our website. So this is the mobile result, and this is the desktop result. Now, this is, as you can see, the logo, this is the name of our website, and this is our page. Now, in order to control this SEO title, you can delete these like tags. This basically is this is predefined by Yoast SEO. This title means it will pull the title of the WordPress or basically your page title. It will pull from it. So this is the title, Stefan's website, as you can see. Then the page, which is in this case, this page is called Stefan's website. And then we have the separator, which is this one, and then site title, as you can see. Now, you can leave it as it is, or you can change to whatever you like. I will change it to my name. I will delete this, Stefan, and then I'll paste what I copied, WordPress website design. Now, the slug is basic your URL. If you take a look here at the URL here, you'll see that the permalink we added is, WordPress added it by default if we don't add it ourselves. So I'll leave it like this. So this is the slug, and then the meta description is this part here. Basically what we'll say about your page. So in our case, let's just paste this. Hi there, my name is Stefan Pavlovic and I'm WordPress website designer. Check out my services and my portfolio. Now what we did is we used this key phrase in this meta description here, as you can see it, which is a plus. Also, we added or we use this key phrase in our SEO title, which is great. Now, best thing would be to use that as a slug, so maybe we can change that as well. So let's copy this, paste it here. Yeah, there we go. Now, our key phrase is in title, slug, and meta description. Now, if you take a look at the how our website is showing in mobile results and desktop results, search results, it looks great. So we have the logo, the name of the website, Stefan Pavlovic, WordPress website designer, then a meta description, image, which should be changed. We'll get to that, and a desktop result. So we have this ready. Now, the next thing is outbound and internal links. Now, the outbound links is basically adding a link to a different website, which I wouldn't do for a one-pager website. We don't want our users to go to a different website, but we can add internal links. Now, what we need to do is we need to link these portfolios. So let's go to the home page So let me close this and go to the page and click Edit with Elementor. Scroll down to My Work and then edit this template. What are we doing here is we are making all of these portfolios link to the portfolios that these cards represent. Now we need to click on this title here, post title, and for the link, we need to choose dynamic tags and use post URL. So what does it mean? It means that we are linking these titles with the corresponding posts. So if I hover over this title now in the bottom left corner, you will notice the link to SEO Portfolio 2. So this is the correct or the corresponding post. So let's click Update and let's go back to edit our page. So this will be linked now. Now, key phrase in introduction, your key phrase or its synonyms do not appear in the first paragraph. Now, that means that we don't have a key phrase in our first paragraph, but we don't have any paragraphs here. What you can do is add a paragraph that can include the WordPress website designer in it, or your key phrase, and that will help with this part. And single title H1s should only be used as main title. Find all H1s in your text that aren't your main title and change them to lower heading level. So let's double check that. So let's check our website if we made any mistake with that. Let's start with this first heading, and then it says HTML tag H1. Then this one is H1 as well. So maybe the Yoast is looking at these two here. So this here is H3, or sorry, H2. This one is H2 as well. My work, H2 as well. My skills, H2 as well. And then contact me is H2 as well. So my guess is that Yoast is looking at this heading here. So if we change this, let's say to span, that should do the trick, but I don't recommend doing it. I recommend leaving it as H1. Now let's go back here. Let's wait for it to upload and then we'll refresh this page. Now, key phrase and subheadings, use more key phrases or synonyms in your H2 and H3 subheadings. So basically, it tells us to add key phrases in these H2 subheadings, which, as I said, in this case, we cannot do it because it doesn't make any sense. So as you can see, it is pretty hard to optimize or actually to have this green smiley in Yoast SEO plugin with the one-page website. And you can continue adjusting these or improve these fields with Yoast SEO if needed. Now, what else I recommend doing it regarding the SEO is to add the featured image. Now, to add the featured image, click here and let's add our logo as a featured image because this represents our homepage. And if you take a look here now, it looks like this. So in our case, maybe it is better to have something different that is more 1:1 ratio. So in this case, let's use this logo, but if you have the option, use 1:1 image. Basically your fav icon, if you have any, because it will look way better than this. So take in consideration having 1:1 image ratio as a featured image for your homepage. And also you can add the excerpt, which you can use, you can use the same as this one here. And this will also be great when you share your website with or on social media. And you have this option in Yoast SEO Social that can be unlocked with Premium, but you can select a social image, which in this case can be a logo or a five icon. And when you share it on WhatsApp, Viber, and so on, this will look way better. And as you can see, your image dimensions are not suitable. The minimum dimensions are 200 by 200 pixels. And you can add the social title, which can be your website name, which can be, of course, WordPress website designer, and then add the social description. That can help you better, or your when you're sharing, it will look way better. But it can also work with featured image in an excerpt. So that's regarding SEO. What else I recommend that you do is you optimize your images. So if we go to media here, I recommend optimizing your images to have less file size. For example, even below 500 kilobytes, it is better. Try using WP WebP extension because then the file size will be even smaller. And of course, add alt text because Google will rank you better if you have alt text here, because this can help blind people to understand what is going on in this image. So they have the browsers read the text, the alternative text for them, so they can understand what is going on this image. So in this case, it can be a man with let's say brown eyes, curly hair, brown jacket, is looking straight at you with the buildings in the background, for example. So this can help blind people to understand what is going on this image, and it is crucial to add this alternative text. The rest of this you can skip, but the alternative text is one of the important stuff. So that this is not regarding the Yoast SEO. I mean, Yoast is also telling you to add image descriptions. Maybe in this, not in this case, you can see image key phrase. Images on this page do not have alt attributes. So with at least half of the words from your key phrase. So you should include the key phrase in the images that you add onto this page. But overall, following the Yoast SEO guidelines like these here, like problems and improvements, can help you improve your website. Now, the last thing to do is to go to the settings, reading, and choose a static page and choose a home page, which is our homepage. In my case, it is Stefan's website. And when you visit your domain name, you will visit the homepage that you created. As you saw, using the Yoast SEO plugin, it is super easy to make basic SEO optimization. This was the last video in our mini-series, creating a one-pager website. Thank you for watching, and please like our videos if you find them helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, I wish you all the best.